Hey, welcome back to this Fight channel. Today we're going to be comparing two custom Swiss Army knives. So you can see they're going to be quite different. So this one's a lot slimmer. Got the Dragonfly blade. It's a Spyderco Dragonfly. We'll get into that just a bit. Let's go ahead and we'll start with the blue one here on the left. And so this is what we called a Dragonox Handyman Plus. So basically the tool set is kind of like the Handyman, except it also has the inline Phillips and the magnifying glass. And then one other thing we added to this, make it really unique, is we added the Pruner Blade. Now this is from the Dragonox, the 93mm A-Lock series, and this can be found in the Harvester or in the Swiss Army 7 blade. So that replaced the original small blade. So here we have the large blade, and then next to it is the Pruner Blade. All right, also you can tell the tools have been acid etched, and these have also been stone washed. All right, this is the metal file, metal saw. Let's see here on this, you can see a little better the actual stone wash on the acid etching. Also has blue G10 liners, giving it this nice coloring here. All right, then the pliers. I showed the inline Phillips and the magnifying glass. Now the magnifying glass, this is from the newer model. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 6 times or a 5 times magnification. All right, then at the end we have the bottle opener and the can opener. The back we have the corkscrew. We have the chisel, the mini flathead screwdriver, the parcel hook, and the awl. Alright, so the scales are carbon fiber, they're plus scales, which means that it has the pin slot and the needle slot here next to the corkscrew. And we've added the blue accessories. So that's the pick, the tweezers, got this lanyard on there. Alright, and this one is a Dragonox. I call it a Dragonox because usually they're called Spydernox. But since I use the Dragonfly blade, went ahead and I call this a Dragonox. So this simply has the Dragonfly blade, the original small blade, and it has also the scissors. So this kind of a similar tool set like what you'd find on a Dragonox Compact, except the Compact has a combination tool, whereas this one has the original small blade. So one other thing here is that with the tall Dragonfly blade, it can be kind of difficult to access the scissors. You gotta kind of get your fingernail back there behind the Dragonfly blade to access them. All right, then the back here we have the corkscrew and the parcel hook. So these are orange G10 liners and titanium scales here. It has this, what they call it, like a stone pattern. So I think the titanium looks really well with the orange. Alright, so anyways, let me know what you think. What do you prefer? Would you like the slimmer tool set? Do you like the Dragonfly blade? That is also, by the way, accessible with one hand. And if you reach over the scissors, which is not too difficult, you can open that with your right hand, even though it's actually set on the left side, which also can be opened with your left hand. So anyways, let me know if you like a slimmer build. Let me know what you think about the Dragonfly blade. If you like that over having the original blade, like on here. And also let me know what you think about having the Pruner Blade replace the original small blade. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.